Greetings everyone. Well, just wanted to show you how my beanstalk plants are doing and how the tomatoes are coming out here. This is for growing large tomatoes. Again, I'm not letting any limbs grow on these plants. Just single vine all the way up. And you can see the size of these and the production I'm getting. Some are hidden down in here. Those are very nice size there. You can see that with my hand in there comparatively, and some more in here and up through here over on this plant. So production is good on these, and I hope you've enjoyed this series, and please look in the description for links to all of these videos in this how to grow large tomatoes. And I appreciate you tuning in. I hope you'll like this video, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Help support me even more by coming over to your music provider and subscribe to Tyler Self. That's me. And thanks again for tuning in today, and hope you guys have and gals have a great day, evening, morning,